Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a yesstyle haul, but not really a haul. I mean, it is a haul. Sorry if like you can't see my eyes. I'm in front of a window for like lighting. Might not be good. Might not be going well, but that's besides the point. Can I just let you guys know? I don't know where my tripod is, so you're stacked on like 7 books. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books. No, 6 books. Like, one All About Me book, one is Tweak, one's Call Me By Your Name, Dune Messiah, Dune, and The Lovely Bones. So you're like all over the place. Sorry, I keep getting like confused. I haven't filmed a sit down video in like a year or so. This is weird. But we're gonna do a yesstyle haul because I've heard a lot of things about yesstyle. I'm not sure if it's good or not. I've never bought from yesstyle. People are saying not to buy from yesstyle. I don't know. I just wanted to see if it was like worth the hype. So I bought some things. I bought some things from yesstyle. Oh, that's my address. They really mess up this package, but it's fine. People usually say that it takes like, you literally can't see my eyes. It's fine, it's fine. Maybe if I did this. Sorry. Nope. Literally looks like I have like trees for my eyes. Maybe if I came closer. I don't know. I have to wear my glasses because I can't see without them. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, I guess. Okay, so I got this from yesstyle. People say it takes a month. It took like a week for it to get here for me. But I'm interested, so I'm gonna open it. I don't know. I'm really excited because I got my skirts. My tennis skirts. I love packages. I really do. Oh, I have to not shake the table because you're literally on a cup in books. Okay, so we're just gonna pull out what comes out and see what happens. Oh, wow. There's a lot going on there. So now it's all on the floor. So here's my packing slip. I got 6 things. I got 2 pleated skirts, 1 cropped, like wide leg khaki pants, I don't know. 1 pair of high-waisted ripped jeans, and 1 sweater and 1 sweatshirt. So we're gonna see how this all works. That was first. The pants. Nervous. I don't know. Okay, before I start, the only thing that I bought on yesstyle, like the only like things that I bought were things that had reviews and pictures. So I wasn't trying to like go balls to the wall with 0 reviews and 0 stars and no comments and just buy something. So all of these had pretty good, you know, ratings. These are nice. Oh, they're cute. They look a little small. They're a little bit darker than I expected. Like they're less tan and more like brown. But we'll try these all on, so we'll see how they fit. But okay, first thing looks okay. Oh, my skirts. I'm so excited for these skirts. Okay, they feel very nice. Can I fit this? Probably not. We'll see. Maybe I should have done this before I ate. Because this doesn't look like it's gonna get around me. Whatever. It feels really nice. It's pretty short. Probably should have gotten a medium. We'll get to that. We'll figure it out. Because they're not stretchy. Not stretchy at all. Then I got the same skirt in white. If you can see my messy room, just ignore it, simply. Does it fit around my neck? Just barely. I don't know. We'll see, guys. Ooh, then the sweatshirt. Ooh. Guys. I'll show you a picture of it on the model too if I can find it. Ooh, this is like soft. The inside is soft. It says Niagara Falls on it. So cute. I think I might have wanted to be a little bit bigger, like more oversized, but that's okay. And then I got it says UNIF on it. I got the UNIF dupe because I love this sweater, but UNIF was way too unnecessarily expensive. This was like $15, $20. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Oh my gosh. This feels like super good material and everything. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, these feel like good. I've been on the hunt for the perfect pair of jeans because jeans have been making me angry and I've been cropping on my pants because they're making me mad. So hopefully these are good. These have cuts in the sides. Ooh, these are cute. Okay, we'll see, I guess. Wow, this is so exciting. All right, well that's everything. So far everything feels really like good quality, so that's exciting. And we'll try them on, so let's see what happens then. See you guys in a second. You're gonna do like pants for similar to shirts, I think. All right, let's get into it. Hey, sorry, this is me butting in really fast. The mess is because that's my sister's room, and she does not live here, and so that's her mess from just her doing her thing. But I had to use her room because her room is the only room that I could film full body shots in, and it was a lot of stuff I would have had to move, so I didn't move it. But it's not my mess, so yeah, sorry about that. It looks so ratchet. I apologize. Okay, so here's skirt 1. The quality is great. I obviously could have gotten a medium, like if I like just relax. Hold on, let me come a little closer. There you go. Just relax. You can kind of see that it's like just fitting me. My butt is kind of out, but it's okay. It's really cute. It has built-in shorts, so like it's doing the dang thing. It's super cute, good fabric. But like if I'm naked, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get close enough, but the white is being drowned out by the ring light. So yeah, there's skirt number 1. Cute. Here's the next skirt. Once again, super cute. Oh, here's what I could do. So true. Once again, same thing. I could size up because like there's a little bit going on right there. It's cute. It's comfortable. But I could definitely size up. I have like a size 4 waist, so I probably should have just gotten a medium anyway. I'm 5'2", so I'm short. So I wasn't sure. I will try to link, I just zipped my skin. Owie. I'll try to link everything in the description, so you like, if you wanted this skirt, you can get it. I'm like 123 pounds, just for sizing purposes. So if you like, you know, I don't know. So here is the next item. They're super cute. These just like work pant moment. I don't know if they have a pocket detail. They don't, not on the, oh, the pockets in the back are real. These are super cute. They're just like wrinkly right now, like right here. Look a little bit interesting with what's going on. But if I pull them straight, I obviously don't look like I have a camel toe anymore. But they have a really cute like cinched detail right here. So these are really cute. I think once I'm 5'2", once again. This is a medium. Once I like cut the bottoms, honestly, I might not even cut them. They're like really cute. Okay, cool. This is sick. Also, before you guys judge me, look at that when I bend over. But this shirt, I made it out of a pack of men's A-line tees, and then I cut them, and this is kind of like a ratchet one, so that's why I have it on right now. But okay, on to the next pair of pants. This is so exciting. These are so cute. I don't remember if I said this, but you do have to cut your own button. It took me like 3 seconds to cut mine, to be quite honest. I just took, if you need help cutting them, I just took it from the inside and I did this. And I took some pair of cloth scissors and I just did a snip right there and it was fine. So yeah, full functioning. Very cute. This is a little bit loose, but I don't think it's gonna come off. If it does, you can always just put it back on with like glue. But yeah, just heads up. Okay, these are the next pants. These are the jeans with the cuts in the sides. Very cute, actually. They fall at the perfect length. I don't know if you can see it. They fall really nicely on me. I might cut them though, just because, once again, the crotch is a little bit weird. Very cute, a little bit like baggy right here. Like I definitely am not filling them out like that, but the crotch ends at a really nice spot, like right here. I might take the crotch in a little bit, I don't know, but anyway, very cute, very nice length, cute color and everything. These are really nice. I think I'm gonna hem these because I just hem all my pants because I'm short, but overall super cute. I really like them, and the wash is cute too. And yeah, all right, I might need to do something about this though. But they're cute. This is the Unif dupe top with the rainbow sleeve and the dark rainbow sleeve, and it even has like a little like Unif thing right here. Unif Clothing Co. It's so good, like amazing quality. I'm so excited. I put the skirt back on. I don't know what this is. Where is it? This making me so mad. We're gonna ignore it though. This is so cute. 10 out of 10. Would definitely buy this if you wanted the Unif top. It's very, very cute. I don't think there's a tag on it. There's like not a tag from the company, like the yesstyle people on it, but this is so cute. I'm really excited about this. Oh my god. The stitching under the armpits is a little bit weird. Like it's kind of like it kind of fits like an oversized sweater, if you like were to raise your arms up like that moment, I might snip and resew it, but I probably won't because I can't sew. I don't really know what exactly the uniform looks like the exact, I haven't like studied it. I just saw it and I was like, that's cute. And then I saw it again a year later on the yesstyle website and I was like, oh, that's one that I thought was cute a year ago. Gonna buy it for 15 bucks. I will go through my total and how much everything was at the end. But for now, we're gonna try on the one sweatshirt we have left and then we're gonna be done. Oh my God, you guys. This is the Niagara Falls pullover crew neck with the pocket details. That's so crazy. I've never seen a crew neck with pockets before. I know Brandy Melville has like a Hawaii one that's like green with pockets. But this is so cute. I thought it wasn't gonna be oversized enough when I opened it, but this is perfect. Like this is the perfect length. Here's the detail, the graphic, and it says Niagara Falls, Canada, and it's so cute. I'm so excited. It has a really soft, fleecy inside, so that's good. Everything worked out pretty well. I'm super pumped, and I'm gonna go back and sit down in front of my little area, my seated filming area to tell you guys about how I felt about everything and like all the specifics and everything. All right. I'm back and I have on no pants. Let me close that door. I came to tell you guys about what I bought. I said in the beginning that I bought 6 things, and that is the truth. I bought 6 things. I should have gotten mediums in the pleated skirt, but I just had a problem that I ordered 2 pleated skirts and they were too big, so I think that's why I sized down. Probably shouldn't have done that. You can always take things in, but you can't take things out. Okay, I got my phone here with all the stuff on it. So my total before shipping was, I can't really tell, but my total with shipping and with the discount code applied was $108.97. I'll tell you how much everything was really fast. The khaki pants were $21. This sweatshirt was $23. The ripped blue jeans were 30 bucks. The pleated mini skirts were both $12.98, so like 13 bucks, which is a really good deal for mini skirts. They're really good quality. This is all really good quality, so I'm really happy with everything. And then the UNIF dupe was $19. Let's see how much the actual UNIF thing was. One second. I'll just tell you when I bought it. Okay, I bought this on the 16th and it arrived on the 28th, so it took about 10-12 days to get here. I also ordered it at like midnight, so let's take off a day, so like 11 days total. I want to find the actual UNIF price. UNIF rainbow shirt. Rainbow shirt? Rainbow shirt. Okay, so I can't find the original price of the like rainbow sweater thing that I have, the UNIF dupe, but I found a listing on Poshmark that had it for, looks the exact same, but it has like the UNIF tag in it. Mine doesn't really have like the UNIF tag in the neck, but it said it was $80. So I got it for $19, and it's still really good quality, and it's just really good. So that's really exciting. And it looks like it's stitched the same as mine. It looks like it's stitched the same in the arms as the one that I got from yesstyle. So that is, they try to make it as identical as they could, which is great. This is really comfortable. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I can respond to them if you have some questions on how to work the yesstyle website or anything. It looks a little bit sketchy, but as long as you stick to the things that are rated good and like there's pictures of them. There wasn't pictures of everything, but I think the UNIF sweater I wanted really bad and there weren't any pictures of it, so I just bought it. But it still came out really well. I'm sure there are some things that just aren't as good on the website since it is like a mass. It's kind of like Walmart's website. Like it's Walmart, but anybody can sell anything on there. So I think that that's kind of how yesstyle is. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Like and subscribe. And yeah, have a good one. Bye. This is my headshot from last year. So if anybody's looking to cast things, that's me. I was kind of ugly last year though, so let's not do that. I forgot it was headshot day. That made me so angry. Anyway, oh, this is the one that I was talking about. The Hawaii sweater with pockets that Brandy has. Because they give you stickers when they send you stuff. So, I mean, not stickers, postcards or whatever. Oh, okay, whatever. Bye. Bye.